Hey, bird enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're scaling new heights as we delve into the world of treecreeper birds. These small, agile birds are masters of camouflage, often seen spiraling up tree trunks in search of insects. Found in woodlands across the globe, treecreepers are a delight to observe with their unique behaviors and striking patterns. Join us as we explore 50 amazing facts about treecreeper birds that will make you appreciate these elusive woodland acrobats even more. 1. Treecreepers belong to the family Certhidae, which includes about 10 species. 2. They are found in woodlands and forests across North America, Europe, and Asia. 3. Treecreepers have a distinctive behavior of spiraling up tree trunks as they forage for insects. 4. They have long, curved bills adapted for extracting insects from bark crevices. 5. Their plumage is primarily brown and white, providing excellent camouflage against tree bark. 6. The Eurasian treecreeper Certhia familiaris is one of the most widespread species in Europe and Asia. 7. Treecreepers are small birds typically measuring 12 to 14 centimeters, 4.7 to 5.5 inches in length. 8. They have a wingspan of 17 to 21 centimeters, 6.7 to 8.3 inches. 9. Treecreepers weigh between 8 to 12 grams, 0.28 to 0.42 ounces. 10. They have strong, stiff tail feathers that help support them as they climb. 11. Treecreepers have a distinctive, high-pitched call often described as a tse-tse-tse. 12. They have zygodactyl feet, meaning they have to toes facing forward and to toes facing backward. 13. Treecreepers primarily feed on insects, spiders, and other small invertebrates. 14. They occasionally consume seeds and berries, especially in winter. 15. Treecreepers have excellent vision and can spot prey from a distance. 16. Their nests are often built behind loose bark or in tree cavities. 17. Both parents are involved in building the nest and caring for the young. 18. Treecreeper nests are made of bark strips, moss, and feathers. 19. Females lay 5 to 7 eggs per clutch, which are white with reddish-brown speckles. 20. The incubation period lasts about 14 to 15 days. 21. Treecreeper chicks fledge the nest at around 15 to 17 days old. 22. Treecreepers are known for their cryptic plumage, which helps them blend in with their surroundings. 23. They are highly territorial and will defend their foraging areas from other birds. 24. The brown creeper Certhia americana is the only treecreeper species found in North America. 25. Treecreepers are often seen foraging in mixed species flocks, especially in winter. 26. They have a unique way of foraging, starting at the base of a tree and working their way up in a spiral pattern. 27. Treecreepers have a high metabolism and need to eat frequently to sustain their energy levels. 28. They are known for their rapid and agile climbing abilities. 29. Treecreepers use their long bills to probe into bark crevices for hidden insects. 30. They have a well-developed sense of touch, which helps them detect prey beneath the bark.
31. Treecreepers are known for their persistent and energetic foraging behavior. 32. They are capable of rapid aerial maneuvers to escape predators. 33. Treecreepers are known to form strong pair bonds, with pairs often staying together for multiple breeding seasons. 34. They have a diverse diet, sometimes including small vertebrates like lizards and frogs. 35. Treecreepers are known to engage in mutual grooming, helping to strengthen social bonds within the flock. 36. They have a specialized tongue with bristle-like structures that help them manipulate food. 37. Treecreepers are often seen bathing in shallow water sources like streams and bird baths. 38. They have a well-developed sense of hearing, aiding them in locating prey and avoiding predators. 39. Treecreepers are known for their resilience and adaptability to different environments. 40. They have a unique way of sleeping, tucking their bills under their wings and turning their heads backward. 41. Treecreepers are often featured in folklore and mythology across Europe and Asia. 42. They are known to be inquisitive and curious about their surroundings. 43. Tree creepers are known for their strong pair bonds, with both parents participating in raising the young. 44. They have a well-developed sense of balance, allowing them to navigate the forest canopy with ease. 45. Tree creepers are known to engage in playful interactions with each other, such as bill clacking and tossing objects. 46. They are highly adaptable birds, capable of thriving in a variety of forest habitats. 47. Tree creepers are often seen sunbathing, spreading their wings and tails to absorb sunlight. 48. They are known to be excellent parents, with both males and females participating in raising the young. 49. Tree creepers are known for their cryptic plumage, which helps them blend in with their surroundings. 50. Tree creepers continue to captivate birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts with their unique behaviors, striking patterns, and fascinating adaptations. And there you have it, 50 incredible facts about tree creeper birds. These agile and elusive birds never cease to amaze with their unique behaviors, striking patterns, and remarkable adaptations. We hope you enjoyed learning about them as much as we did sharing these amazing tidbits. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more incredible bird facts and wildlife adventures. Until next time, keep exploring and appreciating the wonders of the natural world.